In front of me is VIVO V50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it here, use this gear. Tap on voice typing and activate it thanks to this switcher. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used this option before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!